Good afternoon, I'm Jonathan, and I spent the last 6 weeks working with Yulife, an innovative and disruptive life insurance startup. And for them, I've helped to design and build some features which can detect different types of users of their app to target messages and to increase engagement. Yulife is no ordinary life insurance company. In fact, it's probably the world's first lifestyle insurance company. So what is lifestyle insurance? Well, the developed world faces a crisis of inactivity and obesity. We're probably, as a society, less active than any previous generation, and health services are struggling to cope. That's where the founders of Yulife step in. Not only do they offer a life insurance product which companies can purchase for their employees, but they also have developed a pioneering app which can reward and motivate healthy behaviours. Holders of Yulife insurance are eligible to use the Yulife app and to collect Ucoin, the company currency. So let's take a quick tour of the app. From the Ucoin screen, I can see the number of coins that I've earned today, and also my total number of coins in the top right-hand corner. From the Quest screen, I can see the map showing the different challenge worlds, where I can go in to take a different challenge and earn some more coins. Here I can see the different challenges and the categories that they fall into. So there are 3 walking challenges and a meditation challenge. So we could take a short stroll, a brisk walk, a long walk, or a meditation and earn between 1 and 6 Ucoin. I can take 1 challenge per day, and the Ucoin that I earn varies with the app level. Once I've earned some Ucoins, I can then spend them on the reward screen with rewards such as Avios Air Miles or Amazon gift vouchers or many other types of reward. So the objective of this project was to study the different player types and how different users engage with the app. Using ideas from the theory of computer gaming, we can divide players along 2 axes, the players versus world axis or the acting versus interacting axis. So in the acting segment, we have killers and achievers. Now, we're not really going to focus on those in this talk. We're going to focus more on the socializers. These are the guys that like interacting with fellow players. Or the explorers. These guys like to explore the game environment. So I'd like to show you some views of the data which explain how we built the features to detect these 2 types of users. So let me plot all the short strolls that were taken in a sample of data that I was given, which is about 900 users. This shows the time of day that people took the challenge against the date. And then I'll add in the brisk walkers, the long walks, and immediately some patterns start to jump out. So we can see that there are 3 main peaks of activity throughout the day. People use the app on the way to work, at lunchtime, or on the way home. Also, there's much more regularity around weekdays. So how can we use this to identify the socializers? Well, if we just retain the users from a single company and then build a similarity metric based on the number of steps users walked and the time that they took the challenge, apply the metric, we can leave just the social users. Let's check to see what we've got. So let's zoom in. And we see here 2 friends went for a brisk walk together sometime after lunch. In fact, we can give every single user a social score based on how many social challenges they took divided by the total number of challenges, ranging from 0 to 1. So in this initial sample of data, it's interesting to note that only 2.5% of users had a sociability rating above 0.4. They're the socializers. What about the explorers? Well, let's add in some more data, the meditators, and then let's plot this data in a different way. Now, instead of the times, let's plot the number of coins that users earned. So here now on the y-axis, the number of challenge coins that users earned. The maximum is 6 per day, and the minimum is 1 per day. And I'm plotting against the number of challenges that they completed. So this guy started out doing some brisk walks and then some long walks, and later tailed off a little bit, just doing short strolls. And in a similar way to the socializing aspect, I can calculate an exploration score. So an exploration score of 0 essentially means that someone just stuck to one activity. An exploration score of 1 means that that user equally spends their time on the 4 different activities. So this guy was doing long walks pretty much all the time, so they get a low exploration score of 0.21. this person had a score of 0.74 because they split their time between different activities. They're the explorers. So I can feed these features to UMap and make some nice, pretty feature maps. We see that they don't necessarily overlap the socializers and explorers. But what this does enable us to do is we can start to send targeted messages to the socializers, perhaps saying, hey, enjoy completing challenges with friends. Why not pop out for a walk today and earn some more Ucoin? Or to the explorers, hey, why not explore a new challenge today? Variety is the spice of life. So by identifying key personality types, we can target messages to Yulife users, increasing their engagement and hopefully their health. Thank you for listening.